Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financial. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Forex.com on your device. To get started, open your Chrome browser and enter Forex.com. It will open this interface. Here you will see the option either to download on App Store, Google Play, etc. So for now, let's click on Google Play. It will navigate you to Google Play Store. And now here tap on install button to download. Now it starts downloading. So in this way you can download Forex.com on your device. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.